Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have some cleaning motivation for you, and after a long weekend, I know I need some motivation too. Most of the time for these videos, it will be clips of the cleaning I did across several days, but today I did all of this in one day. I made a list of some of the things I wanted to get done, and I've noticed that when I do that, it really helps keep me on track and be able to keep crossing things off throughout the day. It might seem like a lot, but I was able to do it in bits and pieces, and really I only had one big chore, which was mopping. The rest of the stuff was smaller, quicker things. So I started out in the kitchen, just cleaning up from breakfast.
I couldn't help myself. I had to go 'cause I was afraid.
Normally I would do a sink scrub at night after we're all done using the sink, but I decided to do one in the morning because the sink was looking gross. I've been painting our house a lot and there was a lot of paint splatter in there too.
I can't take this anymore. I hope to get back to you soon.
I recently picked up these clear food storage containers at Home Goods. I want to use them to organize our pantry cabinet a little bit, but first I needed to wash them.
Like I'm supposed to do. I'm holding on to you like I'm supposed to do. I'm holding on to you like I'm supposed to do.
When Noah wakes up from his morning nap, I will make my bed before I even get him out of bed. I don't consider this cleaning, more of just straightening up, but I wanted to give you guys a glimpse of our bedroom since I don't think you've seen it in a cleaning video yet. But we are definitely going to be painting in here and I cannot wait.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined. have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
So after I vacuumed the living room, I decided to also wash the entry rug and the rug at the bottom of the stairs. I just throw these right into my washing machine and then I hang them up to dry. I probably wash them about once a month. Next, I needed to clean the glass on the storm door. Noah loves to come over here and look out the window and also lick the window and wipe his spitty fingers on the window. So this glass gets yucky looking pretty fast. But my favorite glass cleaner right now is the one by Sprayway. It is so good, leaves such a streak-free finish. I think it's way better than Windex.
In my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me.
Time to cross off some stuff. I only crossed off part of the fold laundry because I didn't finish it yet. I folded half of it, but I didn't do it on camera because it was socks and underwear.
Everything feels like oh yeah.
Here I'm just sweeping the floor so I can mop later.
Even when my teardrops start to dry.
So here is what our pantry cabinet looks like, and it kills me. Every time I open this, I need to do something with it. So those 3 containers that I got, I'm gonna put some of our snacks into them and then see what else I might want to get. I didn't know like exactly what I needed, so I just stuck with those 3. I liked them, and I thought that they would fit in here. Hopefully they do. Like, hopefully they're not too tall. I don't think they will be. But yeah, there's just way too many bags with clips on them, and they all fall all over, so I can't stand it. So we're gonna see if I can make this look just a tiny bit better.
Begins to shine again. Taking all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them makes sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs. Life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for some.
I keep this blue bin in the cabinet for small snacks and things. I went through it and cleaned out what we didn't need anymore. Lots of random snacks and baggies get tossed in there.
I've heard every cliche there is, makes sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you.
Once Noah woke up from his second nap, I wanted to dust our dresser. It has had clothes on top of it since we moved into this house, I think. Mostly just Greg's out-of-season clothes that we need to get a bin for. So I cleared it off and dusted the top for probably the first time.
Love songs, sick and tired love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Ooh, sick and tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs that never turns out the way they do.
Once all the kids are in bed and the house is quiet is when I like to mop. It's so much easier when no one is walking around and there's no interruptions.
I've been trying for so long, looking for someone to help me through. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you.
One thing I've started doing though that I didn't used to do is take all the chairs out of the room. I remember my mom doing this when she would mop the floor when I was a kid, and I used to do it and I don't know why I ever stopped doing it. I think I just got lazy and wanted to get it done quickly, but really taking the 2 minutes to move all the chairs actually makes the mopping go so much faster, and it's so much easier than trying to get all around and underneath the chairs.
Tell me about that little boy playing in the kindergarten. Life wasn't always good to him. Fighting school, he tried to win them. But then he grew up to be a man. Took a chance, a girlfriend's hand. But then she said, "You got it wrong. I'm sorry, I am not the one." I know that it's hard to love and let go, to try and don't succeed. But I know that's how life goes. Love will come your way if you start to believe things will work out right.
At the end of the day, I got to cross off everything on my list, which felt so good to do. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you next time.